Hi, today the discussing topic is how to become a network engineer or security engineer or server engineer. For beginner level, how you will start your career from beginner, and where you can do some lesson training for better learning in your IT networking subject. So here is I am discussing with four networking institute who are they provide you a better training to learn about networking topics. So first I am going to discussing with networkings. Networkings is a very Indian site to learn yeah, for network knowledge. It's a very good and best network training center for starting your network career. So they provide you so much programs like IT Professional Master Program, Network Engineer Master Programs. Who will want to network engineer, they can choose this master program. They also provide you individual course they are offered. And here is the firewall master program. Who want to be a security engineer, and here is also cloud architecture program, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, cybersecurity and DevOps program. So this site is very much good for who want to learn CCNA, CCNP, Linux, firewall later like Palo Alto, F5, uh, etc. So you can buy so I will give you the link in the description for every institution. So next is Linux. So this is the Linux Pashara. It's a Bangladeshi training institute. It's very much good to learn Linux based any training. So they give you the professional training, Linux, Red Hat, but in they provide you a lot of IT training. But Linux is so much good for this training center. If you want to learn the Linux related training, so this institute is so much good. And then another training institute. This is the Network Jagat. This is actually running by Sushil Kabir, who is the Indian trainer, but they introduce their training in Bangladesh. So Bangladesh people can pay their amount through the Bangla Taka and get a best training from the this trainer Sushil Kabir. Is a very good trainer in India. And another site is traditionally is CSL, which is the Bangladesh site, and you can they provide a lot of training. But here CCNA is best good. VMware also good for they introduce, and Palo Alto also good. Fortinet also good to learn this training center. So I will give you all the training center link in description box so that you can learn it from there. So to becoming, there are lots of training center here. So here is the firewall course. So you can from here you can learn it in which device firewall device you can learn from here. So here is the Palo Alto is very much popular in Bangladesh. So you can learn it from Palo Alto, and then the second is Fortinet. It also popular in Bangladesh. ASA and FTD is so much popular in Bangladesh. So this is the very top level firewall in Bangladesh, ASA FTD, then Palo Alto, and third is FortiGate firewall. So if you want to be a cybersecurity engineer, so this course will help you to become a firewall engineer. And if you want to be a network engineer, so CCNA must for you, and then CCNP. It's for beginner level. For beginner level, getting a job, this course will help you so much. So from in networking, so from if you want to go and access all the tab, so you will get a good idea for how what to do your network engineer to become a network engineer. Thank you guys. If you want to any question, you can give me your question left in the comment section.